So we were at Google Next, set of us, just a few, when was it? Last week? 2 weeks ago. Had a great time there, hosted a bunch of you for a keynote watch party and great conversations with Google customers and the Google team. And we want to welcome Shruthi from Google Cloud, who is a product manager working with Sarah McMullen, who you've met, and Millen there and Pravir to talk a little bit about some of the previous announcements that just came out. Shruthi, great to see you again.
Thank you so much. So obviously, our focus this year has been on AI spend. And with that, we are happy to announce some of the new Google Cloud Platform native FinOps releases that you can take advantage of to help simplify your AI financial management. With that, we are proud to introduce the FinOps AI Explainability Agent now on the front page overview of our billing console. Instead of a reactive chat where you have to prompt an agent for help, this agent is proactively scanning your footprint and is designed to tell you why your costs changed even before you ask it a question. Standard cost reporting fails because it's impossible to synthesize costs across a wide range of dimensions. With the FinOps AI Explainability Agent, you can now understand inference costs, what models are actually driving your spend, example, Gemini versus ChatGPT, or modality, such as text versus image versus video. Further, you can correlate costs with actual token consumption. We can show you where you're spending money on input versus output so you can optimize prompt architectures for each model. We can also pinpoint agent spend via your own user-provided labels, tags, or via API key or service account. You can understand not only what is driving your spend, but who is driving it as well. The AI Explainability Agent produces thorough insights so you don't have to dig in to understand why. We tell you. We can move to the next slide. JR, can you? I covered this, yeah. All right. To truly understand AI value, you need the total picture of the spend. That is the return on investment, ROI denominator. So you can see the cost per customer transaction or cost per marketing campaign executed by your agents. And you will see us starting to improve our skill sets here with this agent this year, starting with bringing in infrastructure layer relationships for RAG, as well as GKE and compute alongside more granular breakdowns. This is truly just the beginning of our next generation of cost understanding. So now that we have more visibility into what we are spending, let's figure out what we can do to guardrail it. Today, a single runaway script can cause a massive billing spike before you even notice. Our current tools only alert you, they don't stop the bleeding. And when you finally do enforce a hard stop, it takes a long-winded process that shuts down the entire project, causing unacceptable collateral damage to unrelated workloads. And to solve for this, we are launching spend caps on Google Cloud budgets. Following a recent launch of spend caps for the Gemini API in AI Studio, we are bringing the same native protection to the broader platform with spend caps for Google Cloud budgets, where we will shift from reactive alerting to proactive automated enforcement on the Cloud Budgets tool that you're already using today. With a single click, you can now put a cost boundary around unpredictable AI traffic, stopping runaway spend in its tracks without deleting resources or impacting your underlying infrastructure. So here's how it works. You can access spend caps from our existing budgets tool and set either a spend cap budget or a regular alerts only budget. Currently, the default timeframe for spend cap budget is monthly, and it can be set only on a per project per service basis. Once a cap triggers, a usage block is enforced only on the selected service within the specified project. All other services and projects operate as usual. Add to that, there will be no deletion of resources or data. And that's what makes this feature a one-click, non-destructive guardrail. We purposefully chose to go private preview first so that we are able to work with our customers in carefully evolving this product. In this first iteration, we are offering spend caps on 5 services: Gemini API, Agent Platform, formerly known as Vertex AI, Cloud Run Functions, and Maps. Spend caps on AI services will be triggered relatively faster than non-AI services, which will be on the current reporting latency. Further, cap related alerts are sent to all billing administrators and project owners or of impacted projects. Once when your spend reaches 50% of the cap, and once when it reaches 100%. Additionally, suspending or lifting the cap is equally easy. All you need to do is click Suspend Spend Cap from the tool and resume normal operations. It is equally easy to adjust the cap, raise it, or delete it altogether. Currently, only users with the roles of billing administrators and project owners are able to configure or suspend a cap. And lastly, you can monitor all your budgets, including the spend capped ones and alert only ones from your existing budgets dashboard. So, how can you sign up for the private preview? Scan this QR code and fill out a quick form to express your interest. We will be onboarding customers in cohorts with the first one beginning in May. While spend caps are a critical addition to our enforcement capabilities, but they are just one piece of a broader cost control ecosystem that we are building. In Q4 last year, we made anomaly detection generally available, and the launch included improvements that made the product smarter, more automatic, more proactive, and more customizable to suit your specific needs. Our improved algorithm now provides automated AI generated anomaly thresholds based on your historical spending patterns. We've now introduced an additional threshold for percentage deviation that filters your anomaly dashboard and alerts not only on an absolute dollar value, but also on a percentage change. We've made anomaly alerts default for all customers on all their projects. Default alerts will be sent to all billing administrators. And lastly, anomaly detection is now offered even for new accounts and projects with no prior spend history. This helps ensure that you are protected on Google Cloud from the get go. So, with anomaly detection and spend caps, we have given you a robust defensive playbook. But cost governance is only half the battle. Once you have locked down the unexpected, the next step is optimizing the predictable. So, let's now talk about how we are giving you better commercial flexibility to maximize your purchasing power and track those commitments. We have launched a new top level billing account named Account Group to group all your organization's billing accounts under one parent. We have rolled this out to customers who have a direct enterprise agreement with Google Cloud with billing accounts from a single payment scope to start with. And now we have all the billing accounts grouped. We can now show consolidated spend in one place across all your billing account group hierarchy in a consolidated cost reports view, including subscriptions from other eligible services, including Workspace, Looker, Mandiant, and Apogee. And finally, we saved the best for the last. We are happy to highlight we now have commitment tracking reporting rolling out for customers with standard enterprise agreements. With commitment tracking reporting, we track your eligible spend towards your current commitment period and your current commitment drawdown progress across your Google Cloud services, other eligible services, and 3P marketplace purchases. We are targeting rolling out to half of enterprise agreement customers by end of Q2 with 80% by end of the year. This is next gen FinOps for the AI era. Our FinOps Explainability Agent to see, spend caps to protect, and billing account groups alongside EA reporting to scale. And this is only April. We are also moving fast, so please sign up and try out these releases. We also hope to see you at FinOps X in June, where we can keep the conversation going.
Hey everyone, producer Andrew here. Thank you so much for watching and for your support. For more FinOps content, go check out our YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, and leave comments and questions for all of our wonderful speakers. We appreciate your support.